Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday I went to Target and I bought this. And then, where's the And then it has to have monsters. And then if it gets this one, it glows in the dark. And I love it because it's cute. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and don't forget to follow me. So I have this glitter and I don't know what it's for. What is it for, Mom?
I don't know. I need to open that up. What's the name of that?
What do you mean?
Read it.
So the name is I Dig Monsters. I don't know what it's called. So I don't know what it is. So we have to dig over for hands. Hands? Okay, let's see. I see something green. Something green. Oh my!
What does it feel like?
It feels like a monster's.
What's that purple? What does it feel like?
Oh, it feels like it feels so good, like sand that are soft.
Oh, like kinetic sand. Okay.
It's like sand. Can't get it
You
out.
have to take the sand out.
Should I put the sand in here? Okay. Oh shoot. It has a thing in there. I'm like, what's going on over here? We're discovering. It is something. It's yellow. It's yellow. We keep digging and digging and digging. What in the world? It got out to the end. Wow. I got finally. I didn't think it was so big. God!
What's the name of that one?
What's the name? I don't know. Wait, let me see. Is this one right?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's this one.
Oh, yeah.
Its name is Tangerine. Tangerine Zilly.
Zilly. Tangerine Zilly.
Zilly? So it's called Zilly. It's so cute. Wow. Now you get to play off all this sand.
What do you think about the toy?
It's so good.
Yeah?
Sorry, Mom. At least it doesn't stain. Makes a mess.
Open it.
Put the sand up so it doesn't. Oh shoot! It's so cute. I didn't know it would be so big. I thought it was gonna be so like small. Oh my god! It looks little. It looks little. It's like the baby. Mom, I want to get another one. So there was glitter and I put it in here. Look how it looks. Beautiful. And I think this is how you make a home for a monster. But it looks cute. It just looks cute. I could collect. Like, look at that. It's like a party in here. It's perfect. I could decorate it here. I could decorate it. We could make a window. A window. So we should cut it and do a window. Can we do that? It's mine. It's mine, Mom. Tell me in the comments below if we should get another one and do it.